This is exactly how I book a Disney hotel. We'll look here. We put in May 3rd through 8th. We'll be there for May the 4th to be with you. So May the 3rd through the 8th. We're going to look at the area. So there's Disney Magic Kingdom right there. We'll back up and we can look at popular areas like Disney Springs Hotel Plaza Boulevard. All those hotels right there I've stayed at. We can look down Palm Parkway. I've stayed, oh yeah, I don't want to stay there. I know that hotel. I've stayed at a lot of these hotels in this area, down this road. And then we can go to the popular Flamingo Crossings area, which is a little bit further. It's right there. Okay. So there's three main areas. We can put that down and we can look at dDadbudget. So here we are. You see in the videos page, and I have these, as you can see, hotels $100 to $149 right there when I went, and then $150 to $200. Those are the two price categories. And you can look and you can scroll over and see those hotels. And then just under that I have the areas. So there's Disney Springs Area A, Flamingo Crossings Area B, Vineland Area C, Calypso K Area D, Marbella Palm Parkway Area E. Then pull this down a little bit more. Disney Property Resorts Area F, and then Summer Bay G, with Westwood Boulevard, the ones that I just recently walked to. And then I have these other videos down here with a course that's just bonus. So we'll go back up here and we'll look at our area and we'll say, let's go down Marbella. So we're looking at prices. Obviously prices fluctuate, and you're looking at the prices, what you can afford, what you're looking for, the area. Right now we'll pick a loft. So that's $76. I've stayed there before. We'll go to a loft. I like to use Super. We'll go to Super. It will go to that page. And then I just remind myself, I use this. So down Marbella, here we go. We'll look along these hotels. There it is right there. The Loft Palm Parkway. Choose it. And then we just watch the video. And it will remind me, I know the cost at the time that I want to go. And I can pause it. And I can just rewatch the video. And remember where it is, what's surrounding the property. We'll skip forward. I can put it on fast. I think I have it on 1.5 times right now. But you can look for the amenities that you're interested in. So here's the loft going inside. And then I remember as soon as I see it, oh, it's a very contemporary hotel. You have to pay for that breakfast. I remember that. Very chic, very modern. In my opinion, it wasn't the best for family. It'd be great for the couple. And then you can look through the video. You can go to the room. This is the hallway. I remember they were dark. And go in the room. Very modern. Okay, so we'll stop there. Okay, so we can go back to the videos. And I don't want to stay at the loft this time. And I just actually pull up hotels that I've actually walked through, that I've actually been in, and I have to remind myself what they're actually like. So let's look on Hotel Plaza Boulevard. We'll look at this Holiday Inn. It's $124. You know, these hotels have extra costs. Resort fees, breakfast is not free. I always use super.com. And we can pick the room. Let's go, and I just go back to the website and look at, where's Disney Springs right here. So there's Wyndham, Hilton Buena Vista. Looking for the Holiday Inn, right? Yeah, so there's Drury, Doubletree, the Renaissance, which used to be the B, and now this is Holiday Inn.
This night I stayed at Holiday Inn Orlando.
And we can look through it. Drive up to it. We can see the pool, see my ratings. You can skip through it and just look for the amenities that you're interested in. And this is the way I still use it.
The room I rated 8 out of 10. It's a nice size room. It's clean. It's a nice TV. It's not fancy. It's a small refrigerator and it has a microwave. But beds I rated, it's comfy. 9 out of 10. They were clean.
Skip through. You can see all the amenities. I walk through every hotel the same way.
As I mentioned, I had the first floor directly inside, which was nice. The number of outlets here.
Okay. So we don't want to choose that. We can just go back to the videos and let's say, you know, we look at Google, we can find out the rates every night, and then generally what the pricing is when I went, 100 to 149 or 150 to 200. So we could go down here and we could look at, let's see, the Coronado. We could watch that one. On property, it occasionally gets down into the right price point. I can change the speed right here if I want to. Got it at 2 times. See the lobby, the pool, breakfast, free or not, all the cost, our ratings, the rankings of the areas, rankings of the hotels, the way the room looks, everything. After 41 trips to Disney, staying at 36 plus hotels, walking even more properties, I still do this. Pick the area, find the price, remind myself by walking through the video tour, and then I book it. Don't book the wrong hotel. Stop guessing. dDadbudget.com.